So man, what's happening today is I'm going to my sister's visit. I was supposed to be driving when they go in the car that I was driving on the motel, the motel, and this is a fender. Imagine you negotiate with someone until you're coming to pick me up tomorrow, and then someone will end up changing up plans. I charge my phones, I charge my messages. So I had to request in drive. Imagine from Aspinjo, they ended up with a little son of mom's yango to Wedza. Yeah, that's crazy. Dealing with people who are dark. Anyways, guys, let's go together to my sister's visit. I think you all know my sister runs Mombe. She's always on this channel. So yeah, let's go visit her at her school. She's in grade 6 and she learns at Wildlife Primary School. It's a boarding school. So yeah, let's go together. I requested in drive. You know, this is a gated community, so and sometimes you need to say in drive and stuff. So I had to walk when I get parties up. So yeah, let's go together and get in the drive. Now I'm going to drive through any green inside. And the public city Botswana. Alright. So man, I have first stop. Pizza in. We roting a capture up and pizza in. What are you eating? Chicken in the So yeah, just place in order. Station. I'm going to show you what I don't know, but I want to go walk. Yeah? So that's the pizza. Okay, special name of drinks. Don't get too much. I was not sit down. Really chill. Yep. Tango tomorrow.
Todo roso isso.
Shona ndethi uthine tsempthana.
Nezwa leshona ori mshona.
Unozwa shona ori mshona.
Ngombe mundio.
Ndisemshona. Umurongo.
Bona ngambo. So we're still doing the consultation. We're still doing the consultation. That are there behind. I'm going to have a scan. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We are here. Is the Mombaraba. Keto, Abno. Yano. Skunyanze. Yamone mo. Yimombe. Kwa katikapa. Kambuza. Wadi kwa mombe. Ambosa wadi. Don't work one people. You don't work one people. Alright. Precious. Precious makara. Akatodza ini mugona mfano. Ini ndairwa chikoro ini. Ndairwa 5 minutes. Mombe yadzipa futu baba.
Jangu.
Mombe. Ndisiro imba iyo. Ndisiro sipo iyo.
Ungatoni ukutirongedze tise munyama.
Maspagi.
Aiwa iyo isupu iyo.
Maspagi ndo achashata zvaona.
Ando anotwara kutodya manje kuda kuisira nyama iyoyo. Nemwe nyama yako.
Nipinza.
Yeto tisadye zvinhu kusodya nyama.
Roasted and garafti norara.
Sofariki manje. Sofariki. Sidya wani.
Ndasi munozvimbirwa.
Ndodauka nekudya nasa.
Wezigira kana jezo.
Dzinga noriderei. Dzinga noriderei.
Unokuda.
Zvinoenda kwasekurere.
Kombora.
Tonada.
Ah, that's right.
Asara takaenda umana takusumuka. Takaenda kumba dirwa mbana.
Atipedza hapo pati takwenda kutoilet.
Mbana. So guys, I wanna install a TV up makumbe kwembedo. So I just bought the TV thing, and then I do makumba wacha, and then do my screws acha, and then let me show you. And then also this is my bread. I bought stand also. The excess ya many neighbors. She's not for kumbire, but I didn't have. I bought screwdriver also. I bought a screwdriver. Oh, this one. So yeah, let's fit together. So let me fix the television thing. Let's see what's popping. And then after, I'll give you a full house to Onyana. So make sure stay tuned. You watch it the end. You like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it. So guys, paida vlogs and shanyira. Ndio sotura kunogo. Jamani, asa mzondogara ma gated area.
Vanonokere.
Auzondogara ma gated area ere. Aungoshanyika, aungoshanye.
Sege.
Aungoshanye.
Gated area yakutafika.
Famera sekunda.
Kupinza bra. Yo.
Muri kusapukitire ko mota menyu sina aircon.
Guys, subscribe my YouTube channel.
Chi wamwa doro.
Izo mara lichirangu.
Wakutura zvinotaka. Paida wakutura zvinotaka.
Zamara lichirangu guys. Ndere brother.
Aiyo, asiri mota man.
Maya ndimwe.
Wakutura zvinotaka.
Ndere brother yangu zomara.
Kira simwe doro rumashuro kwe.
Asi zvangu ndezvazini.
Washati. Ndautsvaka vat, ndotenga vat muningiri uno. Apa utofamba futi nekula box. Brado mane benzio. Apa utofamba futi nekula box.
Guys, anosvika time dzanoda. Zvamwari.
Aunyari.
Mira.
But aunyari. Iye kula box iri kumashure.
Asi zvangu kana.
Apa une hunters iri muno netambla.
Ndine my brothers zvita kweri nei.
Sero nyebera my brothers.
Zvamwari praise wanonoka on purpose wewe. Kuda kuti
Iwewe unosimbononoka every day. Unosimbononoka every day. Ndakatorara.
Pane pachipisa bro.
Ndakatorara. Kwera siko mfano.
Video rangu rakata nai.
Apa munhu ane mari tengirira katsukoresa. Aunyari nepaida mori. Nepaida. Muna iPhone 16 Pro Max. Tengira katsuka. Paida unofara kunyara. Hey guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
No.
So like name and numbers and stuff. Anyways, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Praise Makara.
Guys, I'll show you manje. Mkoma no madio.
Guys, sisi mungona tingori pa steers pizza in chicken in saka mbinga yangu makotsa ako mbinga yangu andinayo ndra nige steers. I think pizza. I think pizza.
Tukenda.
So guys, I always emphasize and tell you, please play with the people who are rich. Right now my friend is trying to take me. What's happening with my phone? Okay. So right now my friend is trying to take me to. She said, "Do you want pizza?" I said, "No." "You want steers?" I said, "No." "Chicken?" "No." And I said, "I want something expensive with Pick and Pay." So let's go. Say no more. So this is the rich one. Abantu drive what?
Take it.
Ha.
Nay.
Boys on us normal lessons on this. Anyways, ikamata kama tsimeka kanaka. Kupana namkana ne akomana. Ne aiduwe naimi. Andrive onge windi German. Andrive onge drive onge murume.
Chicha mambo tutele.
Boys.
Bye guys. Road name you say. Nay.
Do you know how to pin and gated area? You can't relate. You won't understand. They are entering in a gated area. You won't understand.
Just guys.
Sorry, Gomo.
Just guys.
Sorry. Koma mbotenza wamashikire mumbonisa wano. You know what I'm saying?
Why you Mr. President? Utomboje pia mkana ukujika.
Wana zvimashima mpere zvikutengeswe.
She?
Zvenge zvotapirisa zvimbere.
It's so sweet. You
so sweet.
Get in the papa.
Tikositenga. Notengera zvimbere.
Nei. Zvinotapira.
Guys, mwese zvaitengeswa kushow. Aiwa andizvida nditye zvotapira. Moza zvimasinde zvaitengeswa kushow zvimambere zvashimafudzi. Guys,
I took claim kwele kuno.
Kuno it's a gated area. They know that you want to park. It's a Pick and Pay for the gated area. You know what I'm saying? So you want to play. Kamaika ndozvida. Hapana rukadawe. $25. Cash. Oroiko cash. Amadiro nozvitambana daro madiro onotangwarira. Dai takakomborerwa. Takakomborerwa at large. So guys, you can see panapa. Unoya panapa pa water station. And then what I say? Unzanya mvura yako. Wosaza chikupu chako unovara barira kutiwo. If you don't want to buy this one. So nanchudza mwana anogara kughetto kuti ndozvinoitika kuno gated area. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, she's satisfied. She didn't know.
It's okay.
Guys, ndichikura uyu paari kutenga mapamba ake. I remember when mwana mama wangu kinzi inotenga mapamba vanhu vakuru kutakshop mafara aya uya neorange. Ndaitumwa mafara eorange namama wangu. Asi mama wangu musadaro. Vanyotenga mapamba vanhu vakuru. Yona chiti mapamba. Guys, tengeswa masi. Uyatenga ake mapamba. Evidence. Yeah? Evidence yekuvhinza vakadzi munomakisa. Auzonyarira but. So guys, this is one of my favorites, chocolates.
I love peanuts.
We don't care. I need this one. Chocolate. Thank you. Yeah, that one. I will think about it.
Think about it.
I will think about it. Thank you, Murungu. Boys, I do drive on the bills. You want bingo shit ready. Takweswa pakazi place order. Na wani Murungu apa upapinda apa wanyepa. Wane munhu mudriver wacho umana munhu takubudisa besu rese panze. Boys. Ndo madriver wacho. Oh.
I think you.
Mwari. I told you kuti uri kunyepa driving.
Hello.
Usataura nawo nehasha ndiye mugated area. Taura nawo mshana.
Hello.
Maybe asikusha.
Mascara say.
Mascara, just a moment, I'll come back to you.
Alright.
Wasinzwa avadi kutora nehasha dzangoida kuita. Segez ndaumbotengerwa. Aukatengerwa nebenzi ningoti ngozitosireka umana. Zvakaoma. Anzi shiri nenge yabvuta rekeni. Anyways, totenga chikafu ne 1 binga. Sorry ngoma. Unombozoti kuoda chiya. Atokuara masitupisa.
Yo, Baji. What do you want? Sarani Murungu.
I want a burger. Wings. What wings? Name what wings? I want a burger.
Sasa zvinodhura,
Okay.
Nay.
You mute Mari. Ni burger nema fries. Nyama ndotora wani yako.
Inodhura ndio kanzi $15.
$4. Inodhura.
Hello.
Sorry, just a moment to decide. Okay, it's no peanut.
Pani chinji tipuka sauce.
Peanut if I can.
It's okay. Sauce it Mary.
Uyaimba window.
Hands up window.
Ibakonfirma something.
Alright. Asa ningaripa huyu.
Yo yarapo ndio rutari name narapo.
Kutange zoom
Yo sadizere. So guys, paida akurwa pass. Asara akurwa pass akumpirizo chira kumba hands face left here. Sasa ndikuenda kupo ndikudrive one of my Uber drivers. Yanzi wakangokwidza nobva tonambo. Aisi apa pera. I think ndikupe community pachira. Hapana mvura sakwidza ro. So guys,
ndetweko nei.
Get it area. So guys, I was cooking something today. I pass up it. Paloko. I think the baba pani.
Nina nipake zvakanaka iwe balance.
Yes.
Nei.
Apa ucheta mari uchatinetsa. Ines Nigerichire mvura.
It's a first place. Hatina nguo.
Boys.
Ndine meeting yandikuda uba.
Boys. Munhu ungopowa curfew wakuiti meeting ngitantine curfew. Curfew is not meeting, bro. Fokoro you. Sama ndafika pa I'm not sure ndipo pandikuende pa community. Pa community water. But I think the
we need water.
Babo ndara. Namazipedza. Oh. Chera tunomshanda wangu. So guys, this is one of my workers, my driver, my water fetcher. And stuff. German. Matibdo ndicherera. Abuziziye kakuora force babe. It's not come aswindo gated area. Ambamu ni mineral water in Pick n Pay makacheno. Yes. Atinonge zvigubhu zvamunoita kuningiriko. Kuora force. Sasa mana as you can see, ndo mote murungu wangu mbinga. One sukari, one mbinga baba. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, mana now ndapa din and my driver just dropped me. Baba, it's a vlog baba.
Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, I'm gonna get to him for bye. Subscribe so no follow bad drama promo.
My days.
Alright, bo. Ko watasema mapukwa. Si amakula hivi.
Andiskuda.
Wezera makula.
Ndakutengera mayo wako naye.
Ndasiwa man. Inaweza maana gekino kupeka ya house tour nyama.
Don't take what's not yours. What doesn't belong to you doesn't belong to you.
So you guys, ngwe mama kamira yashika. So let's start from here. This is a young dressing table nyana. My mona with some clothes there. I love grey, as you can see. This is a small corner with some shoes and something. Chest on the sharp glass and stuff. So yeah, then we come to this side. This is a nice headboard, nice portrait. Ooh, now this is my favorite part. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you like it? Do you love the bluish? And yeah, there's a young carpet also. And then there's a mat to wipe your legs before you jump over my bed. Now, and this is my blanket, black sheets. And then ring light nyana. As you can see, the ceiling, my cape, portrait. This is actually my cupboard's look quite large. And here's the favorite part, baba. Tell me if you like it. Is it nice? Tell me down in the comment section if you think this setup is nice. Tell me down. What do you think about it? Ladies, smash or pass. Tell me, ladies, smash or pass. Would you pass this room? This is actually nice, man. Cozy. Look at the lights. Yeah. This is what I've been here. This is my room. And then, I didn't show you this side. This side is a washing basket where there's dirty clothes. I don't know if I should place it there or if I should place it here. Tell me down in this comment section. Tell me. Anyways, I bet guys. I have to show you the bath and the lounge. So yeah, let's go and check out what's cooking. Let's go. The ending. Then here's the kitchen area. Okay. My groceries are in here. This is where my groceries are. Then yeah, this is the kitchen area. My stove, I don't know what stove it is. Then yeah, the sink. So here's the bath, the sink, toilet, yeah, tiles, tap, yeah. Welcome. So tell me your first impression. Girls, tell me your first impression when you hit this room. Do you think you'll be impressed? And yeah, I mean guys, thank you for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Unfortunately, you can't release it because there's no electricity. And yeah, we're just waiting for the electricity to come back. And then we try to light up this thing. And then, you know, right now that's what I'm going this other thing. What is it called? I'll tell you. So if you are watching, ask me my account number right now. It's just $70. It's just $70. Anyways, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Let's get it.